With this demo, I will show how easy it is to migrate database from SQL Server to managed instance using MI link and achieving the best possible minimum downtime migration. I already have database here replicated using MI link from SQL Server to managed instance. I see that the database on SQL Server side is read-write because it is primary, and on the managed instance side it is read-only because it is secondary. Migrating is easy through using our automated wizard. In SMS 18.1.2, I can choose the failover database, and then I choose database that I would like to migrate over to managed instance. Then I need to sign in to Azure. Then I can choose between planned manual failover and forced failover. If I choose planned failover, the cutover ensures that there is a lossless cutover to the cloud, and if I use forced failover, the cutover is immediate, but there is a possible data loss. So in my case, I will choose planned manual failover. It is recommended that the workload is stopped on SQL Server at this point in time. I can also choose to do some cleanup actions, such as deleting the corresponding availability and distributed availability group upon migration completion. Then the steps to execute migration are being ran. What we see here is that we're switching the replication mode to synchronous. Then we're attempting to synchronize LSN, ensuring that all the data has went through, and then we're performing the actual failover and then doing cleanup actions. So now I can see that this failover has been successful and that the database has been migrated to managed instance. I can confirm that by running this query on the managed instance side, and then I see that the database on managed instance is read-write, and we can repoint our application connection string to managed instance to now start running in the cloud.